Safety is the most important thing to consider during the welding process. Welding helmets are used to protect the eyes from the arc. There are many products available to choose welding helmet, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best auto-darkening welding helmet from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Yeswelder TrueColor Solar-Powered Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. Yeswelder is one of the most prominent brands to get a high-quality auto-darkening welding helmet. This helmet is best suited for TIG, MIG, and MMA. Yeswelder comes with a broader viewing area and 2 high-quality sensors. Yeswelder helmets are also compatible with a magnifying lens, and you can replace it with the original lens. Thus, it gives more productivity as you can see your weld more closely due to magnification. It has an improved battery life and a highly comfortable headgear. 2 separate auto-darkening sensors help attain fast response time. It is powered by a lithium battery or solar-powered panel. Owing to its plastic body, it is a lightweight welding helmet. Its plastic shield becomes pitted badly by sparks. Even if your eyes don't work properly, it can help you with its various color features. Moreover, it is also available in other colors and designs like green ghost and skull design. Positive side of this product: solar-powered helmet, lightweight helmet, available in various other colors, good battery life, comfortable headgear. Number 2. Jackson Safety Welding Helmet. HSL 100 model is an affordable best auto dark welding helmet of Jackson Safety. It has a decent size viewing area. The slim shell of the helmet makes it an ideal choice for welding in tight spaces. The availability of grind mode and digital controls makes it easier to switch between sensitivity and delay. As compared to other normal helmets, it is a little bit heavier. Nevertheless, its affordability and other best qualities downplay this minor negative point. Other than this, it comes with 4 arc sensors to pick up the arc, even in highly obstructive areas. Moreover, it has a large viewing area to allow the welder to see clearly and do the right job. This mask is an ideal choice for industrial workers and serious hobbyists. Overall, it has been the best rated auto-darkening welding helmet of Jackson Safety. Positive side of this product: large viewing area, grinding mode available, sensitivity adjustments. Number 3. Antra Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. We have another top-rated HUD. This time we have Antra Best Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. It has so many striking features as compared to other welding helmets. First of all, it has a double-layered LCD shutter for the purpose of auto-dimming. It provides enough range of shade for various kinds of welding jobs. In addition, the HUD cover protects the face and neck from harmful sparks of radiation. It is a solar-powered helmet with an extremely large and clear viewing area. Moreover, its 4 arc sensors make it quite suitable for various kinds of applications. Other than this, the auto-darkening feature of the helmet makes it quite suitable for any kind of environment. It has been made from polyamide nylon. Premium redundant arc sensors, with highly responsive detecting and controlling units providing super fast switching time and accurate auto shading, minimizing harmful radiant bypass, avoiding eye stress. This makes it more resilient against dents. It also comes with a 1-year warranty to deal with any issues which arise at the later stage. The helmet is capable of handling a variety of tasks like TIG, MIG, MMA, etc. Positive side of this product: double-layered LCD shutter, solar-powered, extremely large viewing area, 4 arc sensors. It is made from polyamide nylon. Number 4. 3M Speechless Welding Helmet. This 3M Speechless is one of these helmets under the $500 category. Indeed, it is an expensive helmet, but in terms of its quality, you will never regret purchasing this helmet. It is a fully assembled Andorran Franks helmet. You can deal with any kind of welding with this helmet in a highly comfortable environment. It is also pricey due to a silver front panel. This panel houses external controls and enables easy access to grinding mode. Moreover, its auto-darkening feature allows the welders to work quickly. This best auto-dark welding helmet with an improved user interface is quite easy to understand. Positive side of this product: provides optimum protection, improved optics. Number 5. Jackson Safety Welding Helmet 46101. This is best auto dark welding helmet of prominent brand Jackson Safety. It is a top-rated 5-star helmet. It provides a clear viewing area during all stages of welding. Other than this, it is quite comfortable to wear and use this helmet. That's why it is also called a user-friendly helmet. It has a digital control, which is easy to use and understand. One of the striking features of this helmet is its sensitivity and delayed adjustment system for different tasks and durations. Positive side of this product: digitally controlled helmet. No need to lift the helmet during welding. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.